We'll begin our discussion in our familiar Small Conference Room 1. For review, we can see the green bars on top of each device, as well as above the Small Conference Room 1 tab. This is telling us that the room is live and the devices are live and being used in a live room. If we look at the bottom left of the screen, we see the Online Devices tab and the Online Rooms tab. These are the two areas we'll investigate in this video. When clicking on the Online Device tab, it takes us to the list of all online devices. We can see several things on this screen. Here we can see all online devices and the room that they're associated with. We can see the version of the firmware that's loaded on each device. Then we can see the IP address for each device and the name of that device associated to that IP address. With this release of Designer, we've tried to make it easy to get to the room and to the devices. As you notice when we click on Small Conference Room 1, it will take us directly to the routing screen. From our room, we'll click on the Online Rooms tab. This screen will show us the online rooms and the date it was created. Again, when we click on the Small Conference Room 1, it takes us to the routing screen. When in the routing screen, we can click on the devices and go directly to their configuration screen. This makes troubleshooting the room much easier by giving the technician the ability to monitor and troubleshoot issues via Designer. Another area of review is on the top of the screen. We can see the tabs that were opened when we visited the online device and room screens. This makes it easy for the technician to navigate within Designer and find what they're looking for.